I thank you for making this possible. Hi, welcome back to another weekly vlog. I'm currently just editing the last little bits and pieces of last week's weekly vlog, and I'm just about to record like the end bit, and yeah, that's what I'm up to this morning. I've also got a whole bunch of photos to put onto my hard drive. I've realised I don't want to pay every single month for iCloud, so oh my god, there's an ant on my tripod. I was just out doing the washing and there's bugs everywhere. So yeah, I'm just sitting at my desk, my laptop. I've still got to like organise this whole thing. I really want to do like some prints on the wall to liven the place up a little bit. It looks very like white and hospital and I'm not a fan. I also bought this little weekly planner from Kmart, which I know is so silly because I'm a designer and I can literally just design my own. But I saw this and it was so cute and it was cheap as well. So maybe I'll add that to my collection for my launch. I'm also actually, this week I'm planning to put up the listings for my Valentine's stickers, which will be my first lot of stickers that I've actually launched on Etsy, which is really exciting. So I'll put the link below because by the time this vlog goes live, it'll be the end of the week, so they should be up. How exciting! And yeah, I'm just editing another vlog that's going to go live in the middle of the week, and I've got to also get some content for Reels today. Today is kind of just a get everything sorted and done sort of day. I'm about to end off last week's weekly vlog, schedule and upload that, and then keep going. Happy Monday. My eyes are so incredibly square. I've just been looking at a screen all morning and I feel like I need to wear my glasses more. Anyway, I've just heated up this Parmigiana that I got from the local tab. Oh my god, why can't I talk today? I've just heated up some leftover Parma that I got from a leftover tab. Oh my god. So I'm just heating up my lunch. Tuesday. I'm just wearing this really funny shirt that I got from Beijing. So oversized, and I just feel like having a day where I just don't get ready. I don't know, I feel like today is just a nice cozy day. It's currently 9:30 in the morning and I've just scheduled about 10 reels, so I'm feeling on top of all of that. And now I'm doing something really exciting. So my little stickers are gonna arrive within the next week. So I'm just setting up the Etsy listing now, and I have one. I'm doing like a set of 5 stickers, and I got like one lot of, I'll show you. So I got one sticker printed just to make sure it was the right quality before I went and printed a whole bunch of all 5. And this is the little sticker. It's called Be Mine. This is my first little Valentine's Day collection, which is really fun. And all of these stickers are really, really great quality. So I've ordered the other 4 and they're gonna arrive within the next week. Just getting all the like Etsy listing things ready. So I'm on Illustrator just putting together like how some of the listings are gonna look. I'm absolutely loving this one, so I think that'll be the first image in the listing. But I've currently just got this set up, so like there's a really nice window here with lots of light, and I'm gonna get this sticker and I'm gonna like show how it peels and like how it sticks to a water bottle. But before I do that, like my nails are like not looking very good, so I'm gonna paint these 2 fingers on this hand and these 2 fingers on this hand, just so like when I'm peeling it, it looks nice. I'm gonna paint a couple of my nails white. I could just paint my whole hands, but I don't know, I don't really feel like it. I feel like I just want to have such a lazy day, and I want to try and get all of my work done before midday so I can just relax the afternoon. And I also need to straighten my hair. Yesterday I had such a productive day and my eyes felt so square by the end of the day. Like, I finished editing 2 vlogs, I thumbnailed 2 vlogs, I did all the descriptions for 2 vlogs. And yeah, the weekly vlog went live yesterday on Monday. So if you don't already have notifications on for YouTube, definitely do that, because I upload every single Monday at 4 p.m. 4 p.m. Australian Western Standard Time. So I think it's sometimes 6 p.m. on the East Coast and sometimes it's 7 p.m. depending on daylight savings. One thing I love about Western Australia is that they don't mess around with daylight savings. Like, the time is the time. But yeah, my Instagram's being a bit funny. It's not scheduling half of my reels, so only 6 are ready to go, but I've got 4 in the drafts. Anyway, this is probably really boring. This might be boring to hear, like, the behind the scenes, but I absolutely love the whole like creative process behind videos and like behind the scenes, like small business listings and stuff like that. But yeah, let's paint my nails. This camera is so broken. If you've been watching for a while, you would have seen that I dropped it off the little bathroom thing, and now the whole lens is just not working properly. So sometimes when I'm doing little listing videos, I write down like a little shot list of what I want to get. Cosmo's just come in. Hello. I'm still working. I'll be done in a minute. So now I'm just going to take my camera off the tripod, get out the SD card, eject my hard drive first because we don't want to lose anything on that. And because my MacBook only has like 2 USB-Cs on the side, I use this, I don't know what it's called, like a little adapter so you can put like USBs and SD cards and stuff in it. So I've always got my laptop charging, and then I just use this on the other one. I'm going to grab all of the videos and photos I just took. I'm going to pop them onto my desktop. The lighting actually wasn't as great as I thought, so I might have to adjust that a little bit. And if you ever wonder what I see when I go into my camera to edit the weekly vlog, it's basically just a whole bunch of this. Literally just see like all the clips I've filmed, like this, and these are the 3 that I've just grabbed. This is what you literally just saw, and so I think that's, oh my gosh, Cosmo's grumping at me. See, I thought the lighting on this video was great, but as you can see, it's quite dark on this side. So here I've just got the video that I filmed with peeling the sticker and putting it onto the water bottle. And so I'm just going to hit adjust and go over to brightness. And then just up that just so it looks a little bit nicer. And that looks so much nicer and brighter. The nails are white, so that looks good. Perfect. I'm always so torn between doing like a bubbly font for everything or like a really classy serif font. I think maybe this one, because these are bubble, I'll do bubble at the top. I don't know, I'm just going to play around with the font a little bit, but I'm going to do, like, it's obviously going to be like really nice and scented, and then I'm going to say like pack of 5 so they know that they're getting 5 stickers. What font? This is always the hardest part. I have so much trouble choosing fonts because I just love every single font that I've ever seen. Okay, so it's definitely not like scented or finished yet or anything, but if you're comparing this one to this one, I think maybe this one stands out a little bit more. Like, that bit at the top looks kind of classy, but you can't really read it. And if someone's like looking for Valentine stickers in particular, they're probably going to gravitate towards this one. Also, I don't know if I showed you guys on here, I ordered the cutest little like crochet water bottle holder, and it just got me thinking, because I just put the sticker on this one. I'm like, oh my god, I don't think I've shown you guys what I got. I posted this on Instagram for one of my reels, and a girl I used to go to school with, she makes these, and I just think like the talent that goes into something like that. Like, I don't know if you've been around for a while in the van, I like tried to crochet for, I don't know, maybe like a week, and it's awful. Actually, no, hang on a second. I actually still have it. So looking at it now, it is like very similar green, but this little thing took me a week to do, and it's awful stitching. Like, it's so dense, I think the word is, but like this little thing here, it's obviously like not up to scratch, like my first ever time crocheting, but this took me a week. and the turnaround that she did for this was like a couple of days. But yeah, I'm so excited. Like every time I go to the beach and I want to carry my water bottle, but I need it as like a little bag, I just have it in this, and it's just the cutest thing ever. I highly recommend you get one for yourself. You basically just tell her like the specifications of your water bottle and the color you want. Like it is 100% completely custom, and it is just the coolest thing ever. So yeah, I'll leave her link down in the description, like not sponsored or anything, like I paid for it myself. I literally saw that she did them on Instagram and I jumped on it. I'm like, oh my god, I need this, like can you please make me one? I just love it so much, and it's so cozy. I just thought I'd show you guys. What was I talking about? I just lost my train of thought completely. It's because I got up. It's because I got up to get this and I lost what I was doing. So it's just short and sweet, a little 15-second video just so they know what product they're getting. And yeah, we've got a whole bunch of photos, so I'm going to pop the listing up now, and I'll just say like not delivering until, I don't know how I'm going to word it, but it's kind of like a, almost like a pre-order, because they're going to get here in a couple of days, so then I can ship them out when they're all here. But yeah, I'm excited to launch my first little sticker collection. So now that that's all sorted, I've literally finished all my work for the day and it's like 1 o'clock. I am gonna just deep clean the house because it needs a good clean. I'm gonna clean the entire house. I'm gonna put on a nice little dress just to keep myself motivated, and I'm gonna put on some Taylor Swift, and I'm gonna sing, and I'm gonna dance, and I'm gonna clean. I'm not much for dancing. Before you I did, 'cause I don't know that ever the name on my lips. Like you were a trophy or a champion ring. That's when I wake up in the morning. That's when you were waiting at the front gate. That's when. The house smells delicious. It is beautiful and clean, and I'm just sitting here doing my puzzle, and I thought I would just let you know some exciting news. I just locked in my first collaboration for the year, and it's January still. I'm just having a bit of a moment because I feel like this is finally taking off after so long. I'm gonna cry. I don't want to cry on camera. I don't want to cry. I am just so happy and grateful, and I don't even know. I don't know why I turned the camera on, because I don't have any words. I'm so happy that you're watching my videos and that like brands want to start collaborating with me, and I just think that's so crazy, and I'm so grateful and happy, and it's brands that I absolutely love, and I just like, what? Anyway, I don't know why I turned the camera on. I don't know how much of this will actually like make it into the vlog, but I'm just so grateful and happy for this little community that we have here, and that this is real, this is happening. You're gonna be so excited when I show you in a couple of vlogs what I'm talking about. Thank you so much. Thank you for making this possible. This is cool. This is so cool. Okay, I'm gonna go. Bye. I just thought I would pick up the camera this morning and say that I just had my first hot shower in about a month. Yep, I finally feel a little bit cold in the mornings and it's the best feeling ever. The rest of the week was really just not interesting at all, so I didn't really film much, but I'm definitely learning to film more on the weekends. But yeah, thank you so much for watching this weekly vlog and I will see you next week.